Do you like mustard? Do you like mustard?
You try the mustard, Elijah? Look, right here. Try it. He's smiling. Look at it. It's like brown.
No, you don't like mustard?
Do you like the mustard? Look, it's right here. You want to try some? Good color.
Is it good?
Maybe. Here? Oh, there.
Is it good?
Here?
Hot.
Is it hot?
It's good.
Is it good?
Is it yummy?
Hot.
Is it yummy?
Just ketchup.
It's mustard. It's not ketchup, it's mustard. Mustard.
He likes to open the lid.
Emma. Ketchup.
Mustard.
Mustard. Yellow. Can you squeeze?
Oh, you did it. Good job. Can you close it? Can you close it now? Thank you. Thank you. Now it's time to put it away.
Yeah,
Put it
time to
away
put it
now.
away. Oh, look. Look, you have some in here, Elijah. Look, you have some in here. Here, you have some on your fork, too.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah, do you like macaroni and cheese?